Yeah, I ain't sleeping lately, I ain't sleeping lately. Yes, I know that I'm the only person that can change me.
What is up, guys? Your boy Omega here, bringing you another video, and this is gonna be a what's inside these earbuds. All right, so you know there's some nice earbuds. All right, you see that? Oh, but don't worry, they're kind of cheap, so, and they don't work no more, so that's why I'm cutting these bitches up. Well, you know that's what's inside of this, but you know it's like magnets and all that. Wow. Alright, well, it doesn't want to come apart. So I think that's a magnet. Yeah, it's a magnet. But that's why we got this boy right here. Got the knife. I'll just... Oh, there's that. Worthless thing right there. Just wires and wires. Hold up. Dude, look. They're just wires. See that? Let's try to like cut this in, or cut this up, I mean. Oh God. Can I cut this? Oh shit. Alright, so like it all ripped, pieces scattered. Alright, so that's that part right here. And since this is a magnet, let's see. Where's that other piece? This little piece, but I can't find the other magnet. Probably because one of them's right here. Yeah, I have no idea where the other one is. Where could these be? You know, these are just wires and wires. Who knew that inside of all you know, these earbuds, there was wires? Alright, let's cut one more attempt at cutting it. So, oh, here it is. Where's the other magnet? Where's the other magnet? Oh, see, look, it's stuck to the knife. Look, hold up. Let me put it right here. Oh, you see that? Oh, you hear that click? Alright. Oh, you see that? You see that? Hold up, gotta make it focus. Alright, there we go. Oh, but you see that? Guys, well, what am I doing with my life? I'm over here just cutting shit up. But yeah, guys, I think I'm the first person on YouTube to, you know, cut this up. I don't think anyone's ever cut any earbuds up like this. Like, I think I'm the only one on YouTube to ever do this. It's been your boy Omega. Like, subscribe, and peace out.
We burning it up, step in the building, we turning it up. Talking that shit, but they never admit when I said to them like I be murdering it and we living real good. Mainstream, but it's still good. I got raw shit, I got real shit, but right now it's time for that feel